Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I love you guys. I am showing you my video from Redmond, Oregon at our timeshare, and I brought all my stuff along to work on my April glue book for 2022, which I am calling Anything Goes. The reason I'm doing this type of book right now is because last month's book was pretty involved. I almost wrote March right there, but I'm gonna do a little less intense of a book this month, so that's kind of why I'm going this direction. And this book is just made out of junk mail, mostly envelopes. I think this one's all envelopes, and the pages are different sizes and widths, which I can extend either lengthwise or widthwise, which is fun. This envelope is a little pocket there, which I can put something fun inside. Just bound together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch and baker's twine. Nothing special, and I'll link the video below on how I made these. There's 34 faces to work on, page faces to work on in this book, not including the front and back covers, and that would make 36. So, and yeah, so the glues I'm using up a couple glues that I had left over from a long time ago, some plain Elmer's glue sticks, and then I brought along some extra strength glue sticks, and as well as a brand new bottle of Beacon Fabri-Tac. So looking forward to opening that up, and I'll show you what I'm going to be using in this book. I've been doing some doodling in this magazine, in different ways, just having some mark making sessions and just playing on the pages. I like how the markers are making fun images on that. Scrap of that. Also brought along 2 plastic bags of scraps from my stash at home, and in here are larger papers and just a whole bunch of messy stuff, just offcuts from other projects. Here's another bag, envelope type thing of scraps. Again, more offcuts and left standalones and die cuts and some stickers that have just been laying around in my drawers of stuff. This folder of text, different kinds of text in there, and this little pouch of some painted paper cutouts of botanical looking type things, you know, just to have for fodder in for different things. This was a lot of fun, this project, so I probably want to make some more of these. Aren't those fun? I love all the colors, and anyway, they do fit in here. They really do. As I manhandle them, trying to get them in there. But I kept got little ones and all the cutouts from those two. Also, my collage binder. Thought I'd bring that along too. I haven't played in that in a little while. So I have some larger images on that side for backgrounds. If I want to, I have a little pocket of places and people. A lot of faces in there, and some fussy cut things too. Miscellaneous pictures, just random things. I think it's a sandwich right there in the front. Oh, and also on this left side have art, some pictures from an art magazine book that I had. Who knows? I might use those. Some butterflies, pets and animals, and I've got several magazines I haven't cut out. Pets and animals I could add to that. A fat pocket of flowers and nature, a little baggie of numbers, and this is a sleeve with sticker paper in it that I doodled on, and also on the other side just some wrapping paper. Here's some patterns and textures used as background stuff. Here's some black and white things. Yeah, I love black and white accents on pages. It's just me. envelopes are great, the security envelopes. And that's just some sticker paper, label sticker paper. And here's some painted papers, circle painted papers from stickers, and then just other things that I have had. And I thought I might make some more of the fodder, but some of that painted paper was made with shaving cream, and it still smells like shaving cream months later. All right, let's go on in and see if we can do a page. So I'm grabbing a little piece of fodder from the mark making session from that magazine that I had, that New York Times. And I'm just going to go to town and do a page on this, and I'm just going to let it roll a little faster and put on some music, and we will talk to you at the end.
said, oh, baby, come on down. You said, oh, darling, I like that sound. See you standing on that photograph just before the simple morning pass. I'm just here to say it's alright to feel alone sometimes. See you standing like a wildflower, rising from the concrete in rush hour. I'm just here to say it's alright to feel alone sometimes.
Came together quite nicely. I'm going to leave this overhang there, and I can extend that page on the back side to make it larger for whatever I put on that side of the page. I'm a little skeptical of my glue. I might have to come back and redo the glue on that. I love these little pieces I've made, and I definitely want to make some more, and I've got some tiny ones in here in this little pouch, and all the little offcuts from that too. I kept all of that stuff because I think it's going to be fun to use in collage. Okay, you guys, thanks for joining me from Redmond, Oregon. I'm having fun already in this book, so I think I'm going to like it. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on over and seeing what I'm doing today, finding my intrinsic value, and I hope you're getting a chance to be creative yourself. Love you guys. Thanks for coming on over again, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care, and as always, God bless. Here's my Anything Goes book for April 22. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.